What is a black hole? Our Milky Way, as well as other galaxies in the universe, are full of black holes. How are black holes made? Where are they and how do we find them? Black holes were predicted as a theoretical object about 100 years ago, long before there was any evidence that they actually existed. Nobody, not even Einstein, believed they could actually exist. Today, we have abundant evidence that black holes are distributed throughout our galaxy and other galaxies. According to Einstein, mass causes space to bend around it. Matter and light moving near a massive object like the Earth are forced to take a curved path around that object. Scientists have accumulated much observational evidence that massive objects actually do bend space, like the bending of starlight around the sun during an eclipse. The moon orbits the Earth in a curved path. So does a spaceship orbiting the moon. But we can speed up a spaceship and it will leave the pull of the moon and come back to Earth. The more massive the object, the more space bends around it, and the harder it becomes to escape its gravitational pull. Until you get to the mass of the black hole. Black holes in essence warp space completely around them, trapping everything inside. A black hole will swallow anything that crosses within this distance from the black hole.